Ever logged into Facebook on another device and forgot to log out? No worries, I've got you covered. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to log out remotely and secure your account in just a few taps. But first, hit that subscribe button. It helps me out a lot, and I truly appreciate it. Now let's dive in. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android, or computer. It doesn't matter which one. Head to your settings by tapping the profile button at the bottom right on iPhone or top right on Android computer. From there, go to Settings and Privacy, Settings, then tap on See More in Account Center. Now you have two ways to log out remotely. Option 1, go to Password and Security, scroll down and select Log Out of Other Devices. You can also update your password here for extra security. Option 2, if you don't want to change your password, go back and tap on Where you're logged in. Find the device you want to log out from, select it, and hit Log Out. Boom, your account is now secure. Hope this helped. If it did, smash that like button and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.